Okay, what electrochemistry means? That electricity that caused the chemical reactions to take place, right? So let us see what are electrochemical cell. Before starting this, let's recapitulate studies of class 11. Right. So we have studied displacement reaction in class 11, right? What are displacement reactions? Yes, displacement reactions is where two ions they compete with each other, okay? They react with each other, and the one ion who tends to be highly reactive, it displaces or say replace the other ion by pushing it out of the system, right? By displacement reaction we means, say we are having two ions. Let's take an example of copper and zinc. Okay, so this is, let's take an example of zinc and copper nitrate, okay, which we are going to study in this chapter, right? Now here in this reaction, zinc is a cation and copper is also having positive charge, okay? So we are having two ions. Now how the displacement reaction takes place, the element who is having high charge, or say that is the ion that is more reactive, it takes the place of the ion that is less reactive, okay? This will form zinc nitrate with copper, okay, by pushing out the other ion, right? So these we have studied in class 11th, right? Such reactions, these are called displacement reaction, and these are also called redox reactions, right? Redox reactions are what? In which reduction and oxidation that is taking place simultaneously. Right. So let's study one reaction as we have discussed for copper nitrate. In here, as you can see in the image here, shown here, that is an image of electrochemical cell. Okay, first let's study what are electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell, they can either generate electrical energy from chemical reactions or initiate a chemical reaction with the help of chemical energy. So if you can see here, what are electrochemical cell? Which can initiate chemical reactions with the help of electricity, right? Or say electrochemical cell, they change electrical energy into chemical energy. Okay, electrochemical cells, they change electrical energy into chemical energy, okay? Or say it provides electricity in an electrochemical cell so that the reaction can complete. All right. So it consists of a cathode and anode. Let's look at this example of electrochemical cell. This is a setup for electrochemical cell where we are having anode and this side we are having cathode. This is called electrode. Okay. We are taking here zinc electrode and this is copper electrode. Zinc electrode is negatively charged and it is termed as anode. Although anode is positively charged, but it is positively charged only when there is no cell attached. Okay, right. So if you see here the arrangement for an electrochemical cell, we are having two electrodes dipped in different solutions. Okay, for zinc electrode is dipped in zinc sulfate solution, and copper electrode is positively charged, or say cathode, it is dipped in copper sulfate solution. Okay, and these two electrodes, these are connected to a voltmeter, okay, to provide electricity, right? And here we are seeing an inverted U2, which is called salt bridge. We will study how this salt bridge is formed, okay, and what are the main functions of this salt bridge. Okay, so this is a basic setup for electrochemical cell. Okay, the same metal, we are using same metal solution for an electrode to dip in it. So what actually happen in electrochemical cell? The chemical reaction, it takes place in the presence of electricity. Okay. Electricity, it fastens the rate of reaction here, whereby this salt bridge, this inverted tube, it helps, it maintains the balance of chemical reaction taking place. It maintains the charge, okay, that is being transferred from anode side to cathode. All right. So electrochemical cell, they can either generate electrical energy from chemical reaction, or they can initiate chemical reaction with the help of chemical energy. Okay, it consists of cathode and anode. Cathode is positively charged and anode is negatively charged. Okay, remember this. Galvanic cell, voltaic cell and galvanic cell and electrolytic cell, they are broadly classified as electrochemical cell. In this chapter, we will study about galvanic cell, voltaic cell. These galvanic cell and voltaic cell, they are also known as Daniell cells. Okay, and they are termed as electrochemical cell, the cells in which, with the help of electricity, chemical reaction is taking place. Okay. A typical example of electrochemical cell is 1.5 volt battery that is used in clocks and television remotes. Okay. Batteries are also example for electrochemical cells. Okay, there are various types of electrochemical cell that we study in our daily lives.